Chicken Fingers 5, unboxing, round 2. Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your boy, Alan Dean, Grind Fingerboards, back at it again with another marathon unboxing for Chicken Fingers 5, going down Saturday, May 24th, 2025 at Exodus Ride Shop from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. All right, first up, we got OG Fingers. My homie Michael out in Cali. Sheesh. All right. We got an OG Fingers skate deck. Check that sucker out. Looks like a 34 millimeter. And then we got a bag of 3D printed goods. Let's see what we got in here. Bunch of keychain obstacles. We got a little quarter pipe, little jersey barrier, another quarter pipe, couple of parking curbs, another quarter pipe, jersey barrier, and a couple of board carriers. And 2 no fingerboarding allowed signs. Dude, these are freaking sweet. Thank you so much, Michael. I appreciate the support. Thanks for hopping on again this year. Yeah. Thank you, OG Fingers. All right, next up, we got Famous Decks in the house, also from California. Woo! Chicken Fingers, baby. All right, we got 2 Famous Decks in the house. Check those suckers out. We got Famous in sign language. Both are the boxy shape. Got the green, got the yellow. Yeah. Thank you so much, Nate. Appreciate the support, buddy. Next up, we got Solemn FB coming to us from Chicagoland. Sheesh. This is going to be for Chicken Fingers and Grind Time. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 decks. Properly packaged. Front and back. A 36 millimeter Tipsy Pop, 36 millimeter Sober Box, 32 millimeter Sober Box, 30 millimeter Tipsy, 32 millimeter Pop, 30 millimeter Sober Box. Michael, thank you so much for the hookup, dude. We appreciate it. And I know everyone at the events are going to appreciate these decks. Thank you so much, brother. Next up, we got ABC Parks. This one was hand delivered, so it's not in a package. Homie Adrian hooked us up at the last event that we were at together. Finger Fiesta. We got the yellow accent mini picnic table with a little grind stopper here. Make for some super techie little tricks. ABC Park stamp there. And then we've got the classic silver mini picnic table. Little grind stopper there. Yeah, these things are sweet. Check them out. ABC Parks. Each one comes with a sticker pack as well. Shout out Adrian, ABC Parks. Thank you so much for the hookup, bro. Hope to see you at the event. All right, next up, we got Kendama USA. Yeah. Kendama USA has been a long-time supporter of my events as well. Sheesh. All right, we've got the jet shape Kaizen Kendama, purple and white. Sick. Ooh, dang. This is a Jet 405 Ollie Super Stick right here. Let's see. Woo! Dang. My favorite color is blue and yellow, baby. Check that out. Super nice. Hollowed out bottom. I bet this thing slaps, dude. Sheesh. All right, what else we got here? We got the classic bamboo Jet 308. That thing is clean, though. Check it out. Sheesh. All right, and then we've got 3 whiteback string packs, 3 blackback string packs. Colors vary slightly. So this is going to be for both events, Chicken Fingers 5 and Grind Time 6. We're going to divide everything up accordingly. Yeah, Kendama USA. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate the support. Next up, we got FBS coming all the way to us from Germany. Katha FBS. All right. Fatty bag here. Couple bags of some stickers and some grip tape. And then I'm not sure what's in here yet, but we'll figure it out. Just so you know, warning, this is not a toy. Whew. Pull stickers. It's like Christmas time. Ooh-wee. Oh, are you serious? This is a mini skate shop display rack. scale to size, so you could set this up at your fingerboard spot. Put some trucks and some wheels in there. Laser engraved FBS logo on the back. This little door in the front slides open and shut. So sick. Super creative. Thank you, Katha. These will go into the sticker box for everybody to grab for free. We got about 20 each of the big FBS and the fingerboard store. And then this bag here, we've got a couple of fingerboard store patches, 2 packs of FBS extra smooth grip tape, 2 packs of FBS lock nuts, 2 packs of custom engraved FBS grip tape. Can't even hold it all in 2 hands. Thank you so much, Katha. We appreciate your support. FBS, we love you. Next up, Fatty's World. Local Michigan crew. Sheesh, we got some Future Bound Prints Fatty's riser pads, little spliff board rails. Sick. Comes with screws, and then a Fatty stack of Fatty slaps. Look at these. There's just so many. There's even more in here. A bunch of Bic lighters. Fatty's Bics. There's about 10 of them there. Sheesh. Let's see what do we got here. I already know what this is. You guys know what this is? ABC Parks Fatty's Spliff Box. Fatty's ABC Parks. Big spliff. Grind ledges up top. And the best part of it all, magnetized top. Opens up. Ooh, there's even some goodies in there. Stick it. Obstacle putty. A couple of ABC Park stickers. It's even printed on the bottom there. Check out the Fatty's logo on the underside. Hey, thank you to Fatty's and ABC Parks for hooking this guy up. Yeah, sick. 2 more packs of the Fatty's Future Bound Prints board rails. Thank you so much, Fatty's crew. We appreciate you guys hooking it up. I got so many goodies I can't even put them all in my hands. All right, next up, Crom Kendamas coming to us from Connecticut. Sheesh. This is going to be for Chicken Fingers 5 and Grind Time 6, just so you guys know. Look at the spread here. Woo. All right, what do we got here? We got the Crom Rolf, the honeybee honeycomb up top with the bamboo, yellow, black, red, little German flavor there. We got the Yui Play Life, super sick mod. Bonds, super dope. This kid shreds. Pretty sure he's from Colorado. Dope mod. Then we got a D Westy mod. Another bamboo, sticky paint. Sheesh, man, these are so clean. All right, we got a fish mod, 1 more Rolf mod, and a Crom sticker pack. There's all the stickers from the sticker pack, holographic, black and silver. Yeah. Thank you so much, Crom Kendama. Appreciate your continued support. You guys are freaking awesome. And last but not least, this is a monster one. Coming to us from Emma Fingerboard Ramps. First time for EMA hopping on board. And I have no idea what's in this thing. But it's obviously pretty massive. I don't know if this is for one event or both events, but we're going to find out. Sheesh, very well packaged, I must say. Yo, what the... This thing is massive, dude. Sheesh. All right, that's it for in the box. Yo, check this out. Made it here safely. Y'all ready? Sheesh. Dude, look at this, dude. 1 of 1, I believe. I've never seen Emma Ramps make anything like this. Never seen it. But, I mean, just because I haven't seen it doesn't mean it doesn't exist. Check this out. You got like 2 hubba ledges, 1 down each side, and then a floating hubba rail. Metal. Little stair set. Dude, this thing is sick. Yo, this thing is dope. Thank you so much, Emma Ramps. We appreciate your support. Thanks for hopping on board this year. Everybody else, thanks for tuning in to check out the unboxings. Hopefully we got some more coming for you in the next couple days. I hope to see you Saturday May 24th, 2025 at Exodus Ride Shop, 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Show up early, stay late. If you're looking to set up a vendor spot at the event, there is no cost. It's first come, first serve. Bring your own tables, bring your own 10x10 tent or protection from the elements. You're welcome to set up shop. We're not going to charge you nothing. The whole event is free unless you want to purchase raffle tickets, but just for showing up, you get a free raffle ticket. Chicken Fingers 5, Saturday, May 24th, 2025 at Exodus Ride Shop, 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Grind Time 6, Saturday, August 9th, 2025 at Exodus Ride Shop, 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. Be there or be square, my fam. Thanks for tuning in. Can't wait to see you guys. Peace out.